There she goes, our last mover in. Our most recent mover in.
You can do anything you want when it's good for you.
Hiya! Hey! Right, my best mate Andy was on his phone to him the other day. I said, Colin, I need an update. It's been too long.
And good for everyone. Well, there's no need to wait, just activate. Do what you can with what you've got.
So Andy, here we go, here's the update. Well, the reason why I've not done an update recently is because a couple of weeks ago I was on my apprenticeship farm learning some more about milking. Last week we had loads of guests.
You can be anything you want.
So we had to try, we tried to do like a holiday week, which means less work, but it was really hard not working.
When you is who you is, playing your own part. Well, it's alright to listen to suggestions, but just being who you are. 'Cause it's gonna be right. It's gonna be right. Put your mind to what you want. Write it down every night.
This week, I'm going to show you all the rest, obviously, and I'm going to give you a bit more explanations today. But this week, I recently got myself a new toy on Monday. I got myself a strimmer from Steel. And I'm just changing the blade because now I need to go after the thistles. So I've got to get this big bad boy on there. Yeah, so I'm cleaning up with my new machine. It made grazing with the goats a lot easier because I just cut a path. See, I cut a path where I wanted to put up the fence. Made life so much easier. But yeah, let me change this and I'll get back to you. All right then. There we go. It's on. Hope that's good. We will see. Doesn't look right, does it? Looks a bit off. The reason I've got this bad boy is to cut thicker things like these thistles. So for my first try with the plate, I'm going to cut these thistles out.
'Cause it's gonna be right when the time is right, where you can't go wrong when it's right, and you can have anything you want.
Right then, I've cleaned quite a bit up. I got right into a flow, so I cleaned up all the way to the path. All the thistles near the path. Now I'm going to clean them out of the path.
When you realize the best things ain't things at all, and what you have improves with gratitude, so just love what you've got.
And by the way, look, that's our animal park. On the right there we have our sheep. Got some new ones yesterday, 4. So we've now got 7 Wassons. There's 4 of the 7. These 3, Stella, Charlie and Madeline, they've been here longer. This is our new boss of the gang. Aren't you, George? George of the jungle. No, it's George of Drieschta. He came yesterday. And the 3 other girls are somewhere in here. Let's go look for them. Right, so there's the other 3. Wasson is the breed. They're actually the smallest sheep that are bred. Brilliant for in the vineyards. Village for low impact ground. And yeah, they're cute as well. from the most west island of France originally. The meat is tender and like a bit like a resin deer kind of taste. Apparently, I've never tried it. There's not much meat on them, so they're mainly for breeding and for keeping up your garden. Very, very lovable, cuddable, and the whole thing. Yeah, Wasson, I can strongly recommend them. So what I've got here, I baked the terrace, put up the tunnel, and the next thing I've got to do is pave this terrace, because there's a new law in Switzerland about sheep, and you have to test your sheep regularly for a hoof sickness. If you do have a hoof sickness, you have to have a ground where you can wash them and leave them to dry on a paved area. And anyway, this is the heart of our animal kingdom, so paving will be good as well. I'm going to be building a stable here for the winter, and expanding it all. That's why I've dug it all flat. Yeah. Oh, I've still got my protective glasses on. Oh, scratched my head there on a stick, I think. No, not really. Anyway, yeah, so we've been busy grazing. Claudia's had 2 weeks. Oh! Claudia had 2 weeks holiday.
You can grow anything you want if it feeds your soul. Well, you'll have way more if you share it round. So give it everything you've got. And it's gonna be right. It's gonna be right. Put your mind to what you want. Write it down every night. 'Cause it's gonna be right. When the time is right. Well, you can't go wrong when it's right.
Apolline's been helping out amazingly.
So, wir sind fertig mit Pflanzen.
Hi.
Schauen da. Ça c'est Apolline et tu veux te présenter?
Bonjour, moi c'est Apolline, je suis française.
If you think bigger is better, then you might want to think again.
Another project that we've started recently. One part I did with Alice and Leah, made the terrace.
'Cause if less is more, you can't ignore that small gets 10 out of 10. Did you know the world around us is much more than one big thing? It's a lot of little things joined up together that make me wanna sing. Appreciate the small things, appreciate the small.
So you guys, I gotta say, officially on video, it's a pleasure working with you guys. It's really good. Look at this. We've been on it. We've been at it for an hour since we've had our coffee break, and it's amazing. So now we've deserved a long lunch break. So it's 11:11. I'm gonna have a lunch break until 2.
Appreciate the small things, appreciate them all.
But that's a reason to like and subscribe, and press that notification button so you don't miss it. Yeah. Our Rufus, yeah, we're really happy that we've been working with Rufus, and we'll be working with more in the future. yeah, Team England got such a crap manager. The world is fucked up, to be honest. I'm happy that we're here in Drieschta. And talking about here in Drieschta, if you agree and you want to get out of wherever you are and you need a new place to be that you feel safer, come and join us in Drieschta. We've got a space for you. We're looking for new people to come and live here. Everybody's got a skill set they can bring in. And yeah, just apply for it. Just come up. What else have I got to say? We're just going to carry on, and I can't wait to see you again next time soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. If you're not liked yet, please do press that thumbs up button, please. It helps spread the news, pass it on. I don't know. Maybe someone's interested. And thanks for keeping in touch. And Andy, I hope you're happy with that update. I'll call you in a couple of days. In a bit. See you guys. Bye bye.